Bakit nga ba sikat na sikat at pinupuntahan ang Shibuya Crossing sa Japan? Alam mo ba na ito ang busiest crossing sa Tokyo? And during its busiest times, an estimated of 1,000 to 2,500 people ang tumatawid dito sa intersection na to every 2 minutes. And enough yon to quickly fill up a football stadium. Kaya naman, ang tawag sa kanya ay Scramble. Ang Shibuya Scramble Crossing, known as Shibuya Crossing, is yung go-to pedestrian scramble sa Shibuya sa Tokyo, Japan. Matatagpuan siya in front of the Shibuya Station Hachiko exit. Talaga namang mapapatigil lahat mga vehicles in all directions to let the pedestrian flood take over the entire intersection. Kaya naman, if mapapunta ka dito sa Tokyo, Japan, don't miss to witness the organized chaos of Shibuya Crossing, where thousands